In today's tutorial we're going to work on the half double crochet in the front loop. So when we look at the project we see the stitch work, and when you use two strands together it's considered a stitch. But if you choose the one that's closest to you, just the one strand, that's the front loop, and the one away from you here, that's the back loop. So in this particular one we want a half double crochet in the front loop. So we're gonna chain up 2, and what we want to do in the same stitch, we want to apply it just into the front loop only. So wrapping up and just coming from the bottom, pushing up, only capturing the one strand, not both, and you're going to half double crochet. This is creating a ridge on the opposite side. So just go to the next one and just push out and only capture one strand. So if you wanted the back loop, then you'll just grab the other one, and if you go into both of the loops, that's considered a stitch. So let's turn it around now and let's take a quick look at the back, and you'll see that the ridge has just started on the other side. So it gives you a little bit of texture, and this is half double crochet in the front loop.